Good looking C10 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1968 Chevrolet C10. Been resto modded a little bit. 6-liter LQ4 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 4L80E automatic transmission with overdrive. Nicely equipped power brakes, 4-wheel disc, power steering, AC. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Let's take a look at the chrome in the front of this. Bright work. Good looking color combination with this kind of deep burgundy or wine color, silver top and bottom, and then broken up with those pinstripes. Cool color combination. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on 18-inch chrome wheels. Goodyear Wrangler radials. You'll be able to see how much tread is left on those in the still pictures. Plenty of life left in those tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels. Looking straight. Paint has a nice shine to it. This is one of those trucks. Get in it, turn the key and go. Fuel injected. Your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. Be a fun one to drive. Good sounding Kenwood stereo system also has been installed, and I'm going to show you how that works. When we get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. But first, we want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, roll pan on the rear, cleaned up from the rear bumper. Custom look. Take a look at the condition of this bed. Nice wood finish. Looks like powder coated slats in between. Fuel fill and cell in the rear. Once again, still pictures. Take your time looking at this truck. Probably 100+ pictures online, and they can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Chevy C10s, no matter what year, maybe just Chevy trucks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online right off our showroom floor. Also want to note, new items on this truck in 2025, serpentine belt, new battery in 2025, thermostat and water pump, as well as a radiator. So like I said, this truck's ready to roll. And again, that 6-liter LQ4 engine underneath the hood. And dyno sheet will be included on that also. So it was tuned, have a dyno sheet. Let's take a look at this interior. This is finished as nice as the exterior of the car. Custom speaker installed in the lower door panel. Like I said, good sounding stereo system in this one. Vinyl bench seat. Seat belt's intact yet. More modern gauge cluster. So you kind of retain the old school look, but yet with modern gauges. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Here, the fuel pump. Up to pressure, top of the dash looks good. Let's take a peek at this Kenwood stereo too before we fire it up. So like I said, nice sounding stereo in this one. Heat and AC controls. And of course it fires right up with the fuel injection. There you can see the gauge cluster come to life. Alright, down here's temp gauge. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up. You're going to see fuel gauge come up. A little under a half. What do we have over here? Oil pressure, up where it should be. Battery, and tack. It's a nice looking gauge cluster. Visors. Door closes nicely, nice firm. And listen. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust. One of those trucks, like I said, get in and drive it, enjoy. All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood, check out the engine bay. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, just like the others, we'll take this truck for a drive, see how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the underside of the hood, so painted to match. Nice and clean and tidy. I love this engine bay. Look at this. Like I said, a little of that resto mod feel with the 6-liter in here. Check out those headers. Power brakes, obviously. Looks like a newer booster on there. Power steering. That aluminum radiator. Mentioned that was new in 2025. Electric fans. Cold air intake. There is a note on here too as far as the oil is full at the fill mark. So we're going to leave that in there, obviously. Dipstick. Next owner will know. Again, new battery, 2025, but that's a nice looking, nice tidy engine bay. Nice conversion, cold air intake. And best of all, it runs smooth. Plenty of power, and it's automatic with overdrive, all the amenities. Power steering, power brakes, and AC. AC blows cold. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where all the still pictures are. Stick around a little longer. Jason's going to take it for a drive. And we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1968 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. This is an automatic with a long stick right here, easily accessible, mounted to the floor. Our turn signal indicators are working. We have some nice modern style gauges in this truck compared with the later model engine. Power than it probably came with. Accelerates well. Our gauges appear to be working as they should. The battery is almost 15 volts. The oil pressure is 60 pounds of pressure. Temperature about 160. And the fuel gauge is showing a third of a tank. Tachometer working as it should on the right there. Keller stereo match.
Also, people are giving credit to a book.
Working good. The blower motor works. The wiper's also working. This truck has a nice, smooth highway ride. Great looking interior. If you're a fan of the silver and burgundy or red combo this truck has going on, you'll love it. The steering wheel's clocked a little to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Stock appearing vinyl bench seat. Very comfortable. Great visibility from this truck. Here it has a nice rumble as well. You gotta be able to hear your vehicle, you know, unless it's electric and you don't want to be heard, you gotta be able to hear it. And this one has a great rumble coming out the tailpipes. Take a look at all the pictures of this C10 at UniqueClassicCars.com.